Hello and welcome to this special afternoon edition of North Penn Right Now. I'm Melina Kolarko.
And I'm Eric Jessberger. We've got a great show and we're ready to jump straight into the deep end today. As you know, the North Penn Educational Foundation has been promoting the Unite to Inspire campaign, and staff have nearly reached the foundation goal, and we only need 30 more people to join in to push us over the top.
This past week, North Penn Cabinet put the challenge out there to decide if they will take the plunge if the goal was met. Our own Mr. Kyle Berger is live at the pool with members of Cabinet who are standing by to get all wet for this effort. Mr. Berger?
Hey guys, thanks a lot. Down here at the Rick Carroll Natatorium at the high school, home of the five-time state champion girls water polo team. I'm here with members of North Penn School District's Cabinet, and they might be taking the plunge a little bit later on. We need about 12 more folks to donate to the foundation. So you've got a link that was emailed to you earlier today. You can do that. Or hey, if you're in the building right now at North Penn High School and you don't have a class that you're supposed to cover, come on down. Your no donation is too small, according to Dr. Bauer, our assistant superintendent. So stay tuned. We're going to check back in a little bit later in this program. And if we hit our mark, they're going to take a dive. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Mr. Berger. We have not one but two state champions to brag about this week. On Saturday, the North Penn Marching Knights captured the U.S. Bands Group 4 Open PA State Champs. North Penn won in Westchester with a score of 93.15 and captured Best Music and Best Color Guard. At the same time, the North Penn girls water polo team captured the state title in exciting fashion, scoring a goal in the last few seconds of the game. This is the 5th consecutive championship for the girls water polo team. Congrats to both the North Penn Marching Knights and the girls water polo team.
On Friday night, we inducted 3 new members to our Knights of Honor. Retired teacher and North Penn Theater Director Cindy Loudon, retired teacher, swim coach, and North Penn Community Aquatics Director Rick Carroll, and class of 1994 alum and the 2016-2017 Poet Laureate of Philadelphia, Yolanda Wisher, were honored at the annual event at North Penn High School. Hundreds of friends, family, and former students were on hand to celebrate and acknowledge the impact these individuals have had on our school and community.
This month on #TheWhy, we feature a person most staff and many students know well, learning coach Mr. Brett Baker.
I've been at North Penn since 1998 when I student taught with Kurt Hines, which is kind of crazy to think that I was student teaching with Kurt Hines that long ago, but I was, and so it's been a great run so far at North Penn. I'm actually a second career person, and so from the corporate world I made the move into education to spend more time with my family. 2 out of 3 of my daughters are adopted from Russia, and we wanted to spend more family time together, and teaching allowed me to do that. The success I see on students' faces. We often talk about them getting it and that light bulb that goes off. I get to see it not only in students, but I get to see it in staff members as well. And that's really what motivates me and feeds my soul, seeing that success in everyone. From the support staff and school secretaries and bus drivers and custodial staff and all the people that make things happen behind the scenes and all the teachers. There are a lot of great people here, and they're all striving for one thing, and that is to make it the best world as possible for the students. What I really want every student to know is that they have a voice, they can contribute, and each and every one of them is special in their own way. Right?
Hollywood is taking notice of the efforts of one of our students here at North Penn High School. Ellen DeGeneres took notice of the autism awareness efforts from our very own Mayor of North Penn, Ben Hartramp. Ben is an outspoken advocate for autism, has been working with the Philadelphia Eagles, and had a dream to make it on the Ellen Show one day. He was ecstatic when he was asked to appear on the show in California. Ellen praised Ben for all the great work he has done to help Ben with this Philadelphia Eagles Autism Challenge. Ellen presented Ben with a $10,000 check. Awesome work, Ben. We are all so very proud of you.
Speaking of superstars, let's get back to the superstars at Knapp Elementary School, where positive behavior is just infectious. This month, Knapp held a party to celebrate the amazing school climate and positive behavior at Knapp Elementary.
To reward you for being awesome through the month of September and early October. So real quick, a round of applause for everybody in the... All right, so today we had a little bit of fun. It was the end of the month PBAS assembly, one of our incentives for the students. So any student who practiced being safe, being responsible, being resilient, and being respectful throughout the month. Realistically, it was the majority of our students because they practice that on a daily basis. In every conversation that we have, whether it's discipline or in the classroom or in the hallways or in the playground, in the cafeteria. So to that end, we did some pie in the face. We awarded some extra recess for students who demonstrated those B statements. We had a great time.
Before we head over to the pool, we asked leaders in each building to send us just one thing that helped make their school a little bit better. Since we have 21 buildings, that's a lot of things. We present 21 things in 2 minutes.
Kudos to the Bridle Path morning announcement team. They always get the day off to a great start. Gwinnett students learn about bike safety and bullying prevention during a BMX assembly. Gwinnett Square students connect with hands-on problem solving. Hatfield students and staff practices a successful walk to their evacuation site. Inglewood staff seen here writing kind comments to one another and giving each other a pat on the back. Miss Rubo is Knapp's extraordinary school counselor who is willing to do anything to make our students smile. The Culp Swibis core team leading the charge to change the culture at Culp. Montgomery students doing a fantastic job during the first Roars assembly of the year. All Nash staff members worked extra hard to ensure that the home and school not only reached but exceeded their fall fundraising goal. Storybook characters come to life at North Wales. Students decorated pumpkins from their favorite books. Oak Park reading specialists are leading excellent data meetings and keeping Oak Park on track to meet the school goals. At Walton Farm, the playground has some new gear. Here, a student enjoys the newly installed wheelchair-accessible swing. York Avenue students and families hit all the goals in the Go Go Glow Fun Run and Book Fair. At Pembroke, Mrs. Cheryl Doyle and her 9th grade FCS class connecting via Zoom room with a local dairy farm. Penfield has speared, yes they do, the first pep rally of the year, Blue versus Gold at Penfield. Kelsey McIntosh is an outstanding 9th grade student at Pendale who volunteers her time during the school day to provide valuable tutoring services to her fellow students. North Bend High School welcomed nearly 1,000 first graders for the annual Reading is Fundamental show. Kudos to Keyshawn Lee for perfect attendance at Northbridge. Keyshawn is a reserve JROTC member and a fan of MMA. Extended school care staff at Nash work with students to support childhood cancer awareness. And at the Transportation Department, Gail Madge did a wonderful job recruiting new employees at the North Penn School District Job Fair. Those are your 21 things for October.
All right, it's dunk time. Let's find out if we made our goal.
Mr. Berger, is Cabinet getting anxious?
All right, guys, thanks a lot down here in the pool. I've got Christine Liberowski with me, who's been chairing this campaign, and how we doing?
Well, we're a little short, Kyle.
I think I might have something to help that out, though.
What's that?
Look behind you. Guys, come on down, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got 11, and did that make us reach our goal?
We beat our goal, Kyle. Thank you, North Penn.
Awesome. So, folks, that means we got a little treat for you. Cabinet, it's time to take the plunge. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got the cabinet in the water. Great job, North Penn School District. Phenomenal job. Thanks to all those that contributed to this campaign. Let's send it back to the desk in the studio.
That's it for North Penn right now. I'm Melina Calarco. We hope you had a great October, and here's to a great November.
And I'm Eric Jessberger. We leave you with the North Wales Pumpkin Challenge. Here, students decorated pumpkins as their favorite book or character. Have a great rest of your day, North Penn.
Bye.